Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. You want to bake a cake with oranges as main ingredient? Here's a good recipe on orange cake. It is an upside down orange cake. You can really taste the orange and smell its fragrance. So, let's get started. Before working on the batter, prepare all the ingredients. So, here are the ingredients. Bread flour, 200 grams. Potato starch, 50 grams. If you don't have potato starch, you may use also corn starch. Granulated white sugar, 120 grams. Orange juice, 200 ml, squeezed from 3 oranges. Vegetable or seed oil, 80 grams. 3 eggs. Baking powder, 16 grams. Vanilla essence, 1 orange zest, and a pinch of salt. When the ingredients are all ready, start preparing the batter. Start beating 3 eggs with the help of a hand mixer. Then add the other ingredients one by one. Don't forget to sift the bread flour, potato starch, and baking powder. Get a baking pan with a diameter of 28 centimeters and start greasing it with butter. Then sprinkle white granulated sugar the bottom of the baking pan. Move the spring baking pan in order that the sugar reaches the other sides of the pan. Slice 1 orange and arrange the slices inside the spring baking pan. Pour the batter gradually in the baking pan. In the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. The orange cake is done. Let's turn it upside down. Let's glaze the cake. Prepare a mixture of juice of 1 orange and 50 grams of sugar. Mix them and start glazing the top of the cake. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell button for notification. Thanks for watching.